Hi, I'm Courtney Thomas. I am a mother and a grandmother / yaya from Gaston County. I've been in Gaston County all my life. The one thing that I love is a sense of community and then all of the different things that you can do. Gaston County is adventurous. You can hike, bike, paddle. Gaston County has it all. A great place to start your weekend is at Schiele Museum. The Schiele Museum is a natural history and science museum with exhibits, live animals, and a planetarium. One of the things you have to do while you're there is visit the dinosaur exhibit. Being up close and personal with the dinosaurs kind of makes you feel like you're back in the prehistoric age. Going to the farm at the Schiele is a must. With my kids and grandkids, they love being able to see the animals up close and personal. The planetarium is one of my favorites. Everything around you becomes immersive. You feel like you're in it, whether it's the stars or a special show that they have going on. The planetarium has it all. There's always a good reason to come to the Schiele seasonally. They're adding exhibits all the time, so there's always something new to see. After you're done at the Schiele Museum, you have to go to Belmont and check out Daniel Stowe Conservancy. There's gardens, there's fountains, there's great places for kids to play. What's not to love? When my kids and grandkids come out here, they love going to the Lost Hollow Children's Garden. And once they get through that, they love to go down the adventure trail. It's less than a mile, not a bad hike. They enjoy spending time in the open air rooms that are carved into the woods. They can climb on the rocks, they can splash in the water. And the best part, a 3-story castle for kids to play on. In the summer, you can experience the butterfly bungalow. You can spend an entire day around the Daniel Stowe Conservancy. There's so many sights to see that helps you find your path to nature. While in Belmont, you have to go to downtown where you can enjoy shopping and dining. There are a ton of family-friendly activities to check out in Belmont. Rankin Lake Park blends outdoor recreation and nature for all ages. You've got the paddle boats, you've got fishing, and it's a great place to pack a lunch and have a picnic. Adventure awaits at Rankin Lake Park. Just a few miles from Mount Holly is the Whitewater Center. The Whitewater Center is a thrill seeker's dream. If you're going with your kids, they will probably enjoy whitewater rafting, rock climbing, zip lining, and for younger kids, they have to check out Wildwoods. Wildwoods is a dynamic outdoor playground. They have a treehouse village that little kids can run around in. Kids can get started with mountain biking on their pedal-free balanced bike trail. They have special events throughout the year, live music, ice skating competitions. If you have active kids, it's a great place to get them introduced to an outdoor lifestyle. And finally, you have to check out a Ghost Peppers game. Here in Gaston County, we enjoy cheering for the Gastonia Ghost Peppers because you know what? They're spicy. You gotta see Peppy. Peppy is the heartbeat and the spice to the Ghost Peppers. And when you leave the Ghost Pepper game, you can walk downtown, you can hit some of the local shops, and you can get a great bite to eat. I've hit the highlights for family-friendly things to do in Gaston County, but there is so much more. So come on down and visit us. We have so many family-friendly things to do. Your family's gonna fall in love with us.